Govee RGBIC WW LED Permanent Outdoor Lights Professional Overview. The Govee RGBIC WW LED Permanent Outdoor Lights are a premium smart lighting solution designed for homeowners who want year-round outdoor illumination with a clean, permanent installation. Engineered for durability, flexibility, and visual impact. These lights seamlessly combine dynamic RGBIC color effects with tunable warm and cool white lighting, making them ideal for both decorative and functional outdoor use. Unlike traditional single-color outdoor lighting, Govee's advanced RGBIC W technology allows each light segment to display multiple colors simultaneously. This enables smooth gradients, flowing animations, and vivid lighting scenes that can dramatically enhance a home's exterior. In addition to vibrant colors, the integrated warm and cool white LEDs provide practical everyday lighting, offering adjustable color temperatures suitable for patios, walkways, or architectural accent lighting. Designed for permanent outdoor installation, the lights are built with robust weather resistance, ensuring reliable performance throughout the year. Once installed under eaves, along rooflines, fences, or patios, the system delivers a clean, discreet appearance while eliminating the need for seasonal setup and removal. High-quality mounting clips and strong adhesive materials help ensure a secure and professional finish. Control is handled through the Govee Home app, which provides intuitive access to brightness adjustment, color selection, lighting schedules, and a wide range of preset and customizable scenes. Users can create personalized lighting effects for holidays, special occasions, or everyday ambiance with ease. For added convenience, the system also supports voice control via Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing hands-free operation as part of a smart home ecosystem. The Govee RGBIC WW LED Permanent Outdoor Lights are available in multiple length options to accommodate different home sizes and layouts. The system supports customization through cuttable and extendable sections, making it easier to achieve a tailored fit while maintaining consistent performance across the entire installation. Whether used for festive holiday displays, subtle architectural highlighting, or functional nighttime illumination, these lights offer a versatile and modern solution. By combining intelligent control, advanced color technology, and durable construction, Govee delivers a lighting system that enhances curb appeal while providing long-term value and convenience.